Hey guys, today we're doing a stuffed chicken breast wrapped in prosciutto, stuffed with some lovely cheese, some really good artery clogger. We're going to smash it out in under an hour. All right, this is a quick, easy one. This is a cheesy stuffed chicken breast. So all we're going to do is just slice our chicken breasts open, essentially butterfly them. We're going to put some cream cheese, some basil, some sun-dried tomatoes, salt, pepper, some Colby cheese as well. So we want a real oozy, cheesy chicken breast. We're going to fold it back up, wrap it in prosciutto. So we don't want to go too heavy with the salt because we're going to get some from the prosciutto in a pan, and then to the cold zone in our SNS Kamado for our 2-zone cook. Okay, so we've got our SNS Kamado all set up for a 2-zone cook. So that's hot zone and cold zone. We've got our cast iron pan directly over our SNS or our slow and seared deluxe basket at the moment, heating up. Once it's heated up nicely, we're going to smash our chicken breasts, sear them on all sides so we get a nice bit of color. Then onto the cold side, whack a probe in and just track them for the rest of the cook. There you have it. Succulent, cheesy, stuffed chicken breast, all done in under an hour. Time to give it a crack. Try not to be greedy and take a bite out of the whole thing. I've got to share with everyone else apparently. Mind you, they haven't done all the cooking. There we go. Still hot. Oh, so juicy. Yeah, that's good. Really happy with that. All right, thanks for watching, guys. There you have it. Chicken breast. Recipes in the description below. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe.